Hi everybody, it's David Strohsack with the Tennant Company, here to answer some of your frequently asked questions. One of the questions that we hear often from around the world is, what's Tennant's view on how cleaning is changing in light of COVID-19? And one thing we know is we don't have all the answers, and we keep learning more every day. So we have to be flexible and adaptable. But there are three trends that we think are emerging that are here for the long haul. The first is around being visible. The first thing that customers associate with clean and safe is seeing people cleaning. So we think that's a trend, and we think that's something that businesses should consider. Have your employees visible and cleaning while customers are there, especially those high touch areas. The second trend is time and money. ISSA estimates that as businesses reopen, they may spend as much as 50% more in cleaning labor and up to 200% in supplies and tools. Which leads us to the third important trend, which is to offset those costs through the use of mechanization and technology. And that could be moving from a mop and bucket to something more mechanized, a mechanized floor scrubber, to full automation using robotics. But we think it's really important that we use technology and automation to help offset those increased costs, while we're also constantly monitoring and innovating to find new methods to clean and sanitize. And lastly, none of this would be possible without those frontline cleaning teams, keeping us safe and healthy in our public spaces. So we would like to thank all of those custodians and those cleaning teams for keeping us safe.